How to check photo size on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The purpose of a phone's Photos or Gallery app is to view, organize, and manage photos and videos stored on the device. Now, select a photo you want to know the size of. Once you select the photo, tap on the Details icon below. Here, a window will pop up including the photo size information. Now, you can read the file size and dimensions. It also displays the date and time the picture was taken. After reviewing the details, simply swipe down on the information panel to hide it. Following these steps, you can easily check photo size on an iPhone. This way, you can check the size for any photos or videos that you want. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.